All right, C question says a curve passes through the points and its gradient at any point is given by this function. Find the equation of the curve. So we are looking for this equation of the curve that passes through this point and we are given this gradient. So anytime you are given a gradient and you are looking for the equation of the curve, integrate. So we are going to integrate this now. So since this is a gradient, it is the derivative of a curve. Therefore, we say the y over the x is equal to 6x squared plus 10x minus 7, since it is a derivative. So what we do is to integrate the both sides to get the equation of the curve. If I integrate the y over the x, I will have y equal to, integrating here, if I have ax raised to power n and I want to integrate, n will come down and multiply a, then n will add 1 and come down as my denominator. This power will come down as my denominator. Let's do that here. 2 will come down and multiply 6. I'll have 12. Then 2 will add 1. I'll have 3. It will still come down as my denominator, right? Same thing here. The power of x here is 1. So 1 times 10 is 10. And 1 plus 1 will give me 2. Will give me 2. So I'll have raised to power 2 over 2 minus, integrate a constant, you have the variable of that function. So if I integrate 7, I will have x attached to it or added to it. Then we'll add our constant. Let's use c. We can use c, we can use k. So this is the equation of the curve. We can reduce it. 3 divided 12 will give me 4. 2 divided 10, I'll have 5. And then 7x plus c. All right, so to get this c, substitute these 2 points in this equation. We get our c and bring it back. So my y is 2 equal to, this is 2. I'll have 4 into minus 3 raised to power 3 plus 5 into minus 3 raised to power 2 minus 7 into minus 3 plus c. Okay, at this point we expand. I'll have 2 equal to minus 3 raised to power 3 is minus 27. Minus 27 times 4 will give me minus 108 plus minus 3 raised to power 2 is positive 9. 9 times 5 will give me 45. Minus 7 times minus 3 will give me plus 21 plus c. So if we add and subtract here, I will have c to be equal to minus 44. So since we have gotten c as minus 44, let's bring it back into this equation. So the equation of the curve we are looking for is 4x raised to power 3 plus 5x squared minus 7x minus 44. And this is the solution.